guys, I'm about to harvest some fresh vegetables and I decided to show you guys my little vegetable garden. So this is Nigerian green leaves. I don't know what they call it in your country, but it's called green leaves in Nigeria. I don't miss planting this in my little garden here. So today I decided to harvest some, but to show you my green leaf garden. Okay, come, I'm so excited. I love these green leaves a lot. Like every summer I always plant it every summer because I miss eating it during winter. So every summer I take advantage of it to plant it. See, fresh. And it actually, like, it did so well. Like the leaves are so big. The leaves are so big and they're all healthy, as you can see. Big and healthy. Now watch me harvest it. Watch, guys. Like seriously, I'm so excited. Like this, you cannot find this anywhere in Canada. And I have this for free here. It's so exciting, guys. It's so exciting. Like, what can you make with this right now? If I give you this, what can you make with this? Tell me, give me some options in the comment section because I need to make some nice fresh food today because it's my birthday, right? Fresh. Nothing beats fresh food, guys. Nothing beats fresh food. You see? Very fresh. Ooh, this one did so well. Just going to cut it from here. Wow. God. Like seriously, I'm so excited right now. Look at my fresh vegetables. Guys, the excitement right now is just too much. I have so much. I think this should be okay to make some food. But the thing is, the more you cut it, the more it grows, right? So I just need to put them in the fridge and then more can come up, right? So I can have enough before summer is over, because once summer comes it dies, you know, and that's the opportunity I use. When it dies, this turns into seeds, right? So this is what I dry to plant for next summer. So here we go. Like, I'm so excited. Wow, I have lots, guys. If you know my address, come guys, come have some fresh green vegetables. Like, it did so well, so fresh. So what do you call this vegetable in your country? In my country, we call it green vegetable. I know there's another name they call it as well. In Nigeria, I think they also call it spinach as well. Like, it tastes so good. You can use it to make different kind of meal. Now tell me, suggest what kind of meal you want me to make with this fresh vegetables, guys. You don't know how exciting this is for me. Like, getting fresh food in Canada, like from your own garden, like it's the fulfillment is just out of this world. I'm so excited. Now it's time for me to go make some fresh food. Tell me in the comment section what you'd like me to make with this. See you guys.